No climate-controlled workshop commissioned. RIUGOR final drive noise test cell completes temperature control upgrade, and the room temperature is stable. Measurement precision enhanced. Stable thermal conditions eliminate distortions from thermal expansion and air density variation, substantially improving acoustic measurement repeatability. Final drive noise under test. Full range sweep noise test conducted on final drive assembly inside the climate-controlled cell, with real-time SPL and odor analysis data acquisition. Process standard upgraded. The upgraded facility complies with internal NVH specification, ensuring reliable baseline for production consistency. Commitment to consistent quality. This climate control retrofit marks RIUGOR's advancement toward higher precision eDrive NVH control, supporting quieter driving experience.